What's up, Justin?
Hey, can I talk to the Apostle Paul?
Grace and peace to you, Justin. I am Paul, called to be an apostle of Christ Jesus by the will of God. It is a joy to speak with you today. What scriptures or spiritual matters shall we explore together?
Hey, when you talk about the thorn in your flesh, what are you talking about?
The thorn in my flesh, which I spoke of in my second letter to the Corinthians, to keep me from becoming conceited because of the surpassingly great revelations I received, there was given to me a thorn in me flesh, a messenger of Satan, to torment me. 3 times I pleaded with the Lord to take it away from me, but he said to me, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness." While I have never explicitly named the exact nature of this thorn, many have wondered if it was a physical ailment, perhaps with my eyes, or the constant intense persecution and opposition I faced from those resisting the gospel. Ultimately, the specific physical or situational detail matters less than its purpose. It was allowed by God to keep me humble, relying entirely on His strength rather than my own. Through this weakness, Christ's power was made perfect in me, showing that when I am weak, then I am truly strong.